Hello everybody, my name is Ahmed Naveed and today I have made this windmill. I made this windmill out of Connects pieces. It can spin by itself. This took me about an hour to build. It doesn't look like it, but this back bit, to you it might look a bit simple, but it's also a bit tricky. So I guess now it's time to demonstrate it. What you have to do is join the wires. So it should go like that. As you can see, it spins by itself. The motors are behind here. So if I stop it, the motors are behind here, and it works on batteries, and these wires have to be connected to make it work. So connected, not connected, connected, not connected. So everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye.